Morning.
Morning, guys.
Morning. Well, for us it's our last day.
Second to last.
Or last full day. But yeah, we go home tomorrow. But today's just been a bit more of a chilled morning because I think we've been up every morning about 6-7 o'clock running.
Ben goes
and on
running
the bike.
and then complains about his bum.
My bum and legs hurt so much.
And I'm riding in the back like.
But no, so yeah, last full day, so I've had a chilled morning. And then I think the plan for today is a couple of the guys are doing like an aerial assault course, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then they're going to do that, so then we're just going to chill out, go for a bike ride this morning. And then there's a place that does pancakes, isn't there?
Yes, I love pancakes. Ben hates pancakes, but we're going to have pancakes.
So we're going to do that, and then, I don't know, I think it's just kind of see what everyone wants to do to kind of like the last...
I'm not feeling
the last full day. Get away from me.
It's like,
Get away from me.
You're smelly. What can I
It's actually
smell?
not leaving me alone. Right. But yeah, it's just kind of seeing what happens.
Wait, I want a boomerang, don't you?
Okay. Seeing what happens. Probably go swimming. Might try and do a bit more badminton this evening. But yeah, you'll see how we get on. Make the most of the day. The fly's now attacking Aisha. Bye.
Do I show your outfit? For any lads watching. I don't know if any lads watch. So Ben's wearing a hat from...
Hats from Top Man.
Top Man.
Socks
Zara.
From Zara. Joggers are from Primark, and I think these are from Primark as well.
Cool.
So, pretend Converse.
Pretend Converse. So yeah.
Back on the bikes, next destination. Aerial assault course, I think. So that should be good. I'm not doing it. I'll watch.
I wanted to do it, but
I'll
Ben
film
didn't
it.
want to. Ben's
Not really my
scared.
thing. I'm too good at it.
No, you're not. You're scared. But then you went kayaking yesterday and I was scared to do that.
True.
But I don't like water, so...
It's not so much the height of it, it's just the fact of like, for some reason I have this weird hatred towards things that are like, yeah, things that I don't feel are 100% safe, even though they can be. I just feel like they're not, so I just don't bother doing it. It's getting busy. That's what they're now going on, that bit there. Nice little kids play park. Find myself in there later. No, not really. I'm only joking.
Well, I keep telling you, the lake used to be 10 foot deep, but now it's only 4.5 foot deep. Don't know why, it keeps getting shallower.
I think the signal wouldn't have been strong enough. So they're about halfway through now. It's about 5 minutes away from the final zip wire. So they normally say when they're about 5 minutes away, you then have to kind of walk over to the end point where they are to then meet them kind of coming off. So we're now walking that way. You want to do it though, don't you, Ash?
I do. But you're too scared to do it with me.
Yeah, I don't fancy it. But she might do it tomorrow. You never know.
I'm not doing it on my own, no.
No, there's other people that want to do it.
No, no one does.
Enjoy that, mate.
What was it like
Good.
then, Luca? What was it like? The zip line.
Was it scary or not? A little bit?
Was it scary when you had to step off?
What?
Like when you had to...
They told you to sit down, but your bum doesn't reach, so you're hanging, he's holding you, so it's actually easier.
Okay, so he just lets you
the,
go.
the little mini one, you had to kind of put yourself down, and then that's probably more
Wiggle off.
nerve-wracking than him just holding you. And
Probably more relaxed.
Yeah.
Just hovering and him letting you go.
Yeah.
Enjoy it though?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
You were flying down.
Oh yeah, I know. Is it this way?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah. My bum hurts. time for pancakes. They really like pancakes.
I'm not the biggest pancake fan.
But never mind, food's food. Smother it in chocolate. So I've got the ultimate chocolate waffle. What did you go for, Emily?
I've got garlic butter.
Good to use, Emily.
That's so good.
Emily? If I cut it in half, which half do I have?
It's a casual. See, I don't know one of these in ages. There he went. Yeah, there's a tree. I was just looking. Oh, I should concentrate. Right, so we're now off to go play badminton this evening. And it's kind of an awkward situation where you kind of got you ready for one, to play badminton, but two, to also kind of go out for kind of like food and drinks in the evening. So I've kind of got a bit of both. It's actually pretty much just a full tracksuit, but what we'll do is we haven't had tea yet because it's kind of like our last night here. We're just gonna have a chilled evening, a few drinks, grab some food, play a few games like card games and stuff.
Are you recording? Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. That was you, thanks.
Say hey, Grandma. Grandma, say hey.
Hello.
It's Cameron.
Cameron, say hi. Cameron!
What's that called, brother? Say hey, Ad. Say hey.
I'll get all my
Mum, say hey.
Wave. Susan, wave.
Say hey, Dad. Dad.
Susan.
You just gave him the whole.
Lauren. And the Cameron. Have these two.
They don't touch me. Not at him, not at him. No,
Not at me.
Burn his clothes.
At my feet.
Yeah, speak.
Miss me. Can I have one? That's so I can get Adam.
Let me get some shoes. Hang on, wait. Not his leg. Feet.
I got me.
You want to hit the floor, it's like fire.
Oh, that's a dead one.
It's not the...
Should on this fine white one we got it.
Is that have been opened? No, I haven't yet.
It's our last bike ride. We're now taking the bikes back. Huh? Alright. Now take the bikes back. So we'll go back by 10. It's now 9 o'clock. And then we're going to go back to the car. Or no, take the bikes back. And then we'll go get the car. And then we'll come back, pack all the cars up, and then take them back to the car park. And I think you are allowed to stay here and do other things whilst you're here. But you just have to be out of the actual kind of accommodation by 10 o'clock, just so they can kind of get it cleaned and ready for the next people. But yeah, now heading back, it's the last bike ride. Go get the car, and then just chill for the rest of the day. Right, so we've finally left. We're now heading back to take the cars back because you have to be at the lodge by a certain time. So this week has gone so quick though, but it's been so good. Just kind of seeing everyone again and just chilling out really. So we've just got home. It wasn't a bad journey. It only takes us about 40-45 minutes to actually get home. It feels weird to be home. Do you always kind of get it where like whenever you go away a little while, you're going to get used to where you're staying, and then when you come home it kind of feels a little bit weird when you come back into your own place. But I'm just going to chill out. I say nothing's planned. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment as well with any other ideas that you want, whether or not you like the vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot if you do. Let me know what you think. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.